In this part of the course, very short animation and video for your social media, we're going to talk about YouTube. YouTube is, of course, about video. What we are going to teach is making an intro or outro for your videos. Why would you want to do that? It has the same function as your logo. You have a logo, you will put it everywhere because you want people to recognize you. An animated intro for your videos has the same function. If people come back and see more videos of you, they will start to recognize that it's you. The outro has a different function. In the outro, you want to connect with people and you want them to take some sort of action. For instance, subscribe to your channel, go to your website, or maybe follow you on Twitter or Facebook. You want really to connect, and this is the first step on the road to connect to more viewers. You make the same intro for all your videos, and they should be somewhere between only 3 seconds until maximum 10. 5 might be ideal. Very short. Don't bore your viewers with it. It's just the first moment of recognition. And it will make you look very professional. The easiest way to do this is to outsource it to somebody else. It doesn't have to be very expensive. If you go to Fiverr, you can have it done already for €5. But I will show you 4 or 5 different ways that you can outsource your intro and outro for your YouTube videos. Have it made original, have it made for you, fitting to your channel. As said before, what are you going to put in it? Your logo, for instance, a logo reveal. It starts with water and it ends with your logo. Or your YouTube channel name. I will also show you how you can make these intros in animation software.